Oh my god! My wings are stuck to my lights. Oh my god. Oh. That was so scary. Hi. Today I am a fairy. Can you tell? Today I created a fairy Halloween makeup tutorial for you guys. It's very, very glittery. I have glitter all over my face. It's colorful eyes. I have some wings on and a fairy dress, and I'm just really, really loving this look. I love fairies, and I've been waiting to do this tutorial for so long. Super magical and fairy-like. But anyways, if you want to know how to achieve this really super pretty fairy makeup. Okay, so first I'm just going to start with some skin, and I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated highlighter, but it's like a pink hue, so it's cool for blush as well. And then I'm taking my Moda brush. It's like a very fluffy blush brush. I'm going to swirl, tap, and then swipe on my hands so I don't get too much on my face. Smile and just work that into my cheek. What I love about this product is that it's a very low-key blush, but it has some shimmer in it, so it gives you that nice sparkly glow like a fairy. So for the eyes, you want to have a good base because you want all these colors to pop. So I'm taking this Halloween, like, it's called white grease makeup. It's like a base for like either your face or eyeshadow. It works really well as a primer and it sticks. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this and put this, on my eyelid. Only a little bit you need. And then I'm just gonna blend this with my ring finger up to my crease. Don't go above it. So just like mainly focus it on your eyelid. Now I'm taking my 88 Original palette, and I'm taking this yellow shade right here on the flat end. And I'm just going to put this on the inner half of my eyelid. So with the same palette, I'm taking this really bright hot pink color right here. On the same brush, I just flipped it over, and I'm going to finish off my lid. So just like the outer edge of my eyelid. I'm blending it into the yellow. And make sure you blend this. Take this like lavender dark purplish shade right here on a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to put it on the tip of the brush, and then I'm going to put this on the lower lash line but on the inner part of it, and make sure you blend that really well in circular motions. Half of the lower lash line, I'm going to take this like more darker purple shade on the same brush and just repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, so next I'm going to take this gold glitter and on a really big fluffy brush, I'm just going to take the glitter, tap it. I'm going for the gold. Get it? Because it's gold. Anyways, I'm going to put it on the edge of my eyes, kind of like as if I was applying highlight in that little C. And I'm just going to work the glitter into my face. And this is kind of like pixie dust, you feel? To define our eyes a little bit more, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm going to take the shade Volatile. I don't know what it means, but it's a cool eyeshadow. And I'm going to get some on this fluffy shader brush. I believe this one came with the palette. It did. And I'm going to pat that into my crease and then blend it in circular motions. Now I'm taking my Almay Intense Eye Color in the blackest shade. It's like a cream liner. And I'm just going to line my lower lash line and my tight line as well. Next I'm going to line my upper lash line with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm not going to do like a dramatic wing. I just want I just want something to stick to when I apply my lashes. So yeah. For lashes, I'm taking these really, really long dramatic ones because I want it to be a really dramatic look. And if you're gonna do this for Halloween, you might as well go all out. So I'm just going to apply some glue to the band. You're just gonna aim for the liquid eyeliner we just applied and hold it there as long as you could, so it stays all day. Then for my lower lashes, I'm taking my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Wow Wings mascara. For lips, I'm taking my Too Faced Mermaid Tears lipstick. And I know it's mermaid tears and I'm a fairy, but I love mermaids and fairies equally, so I don't really care. But the shade's really pretty. It's like a iridescent purpley color. So I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. For gloss, just to kind of tone it, I'm gonna take this Sephora lip gloss in the shade Earth Angel. And I'm gonna apply that to my lips. This is a really pretty color, kind of like goes with any look. Please be mine, my darling, love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. Okay. Yay! So this is the finished look. I love it. It's so pretty. It gives me so much fairy energy. And I hope that if you guys were thinking of being a fairy this year, hopefully this video inspired you, or maybe you could follow along with it if you really want to do it. I'm going to go into depth about the costume that I created. So I have this headband on that I got from Icing. It's like pearls and diamonds. It's really cute. I actually wear it on an everyday basis, but I felt like it was a cute touch for the look. And then I'll show you my dress. Oops, that hurt. Okay, so this is a fairy dress from Hot Topic. It's a costume. Yeah, it's really cute. And it has little wings, and these wings have like a purple bow. I love it, it's so cute. But yeah, honestly, if you aren't looking to spend a lot of money, what I recommend is all you get is just wings. Because you can get the wings wear like a black dress or whatever color fairy you want to be. Get a headpiece that you have in your closet and just do your makeup really nice, and you're a fairy. So this is a really cool costume if you want to save money for Halloween, which I completely get because you kind of only wear the costume that one night of the year. So if you're not someone who likes to do different colors on their makeup, you can always match it to whatever wings you have or whatever color fairy dress you're wearing. It's really versatile. You could do whatever you want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, try this out. Yay! And if you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.